Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to hide or remove Meta AI from your WhatsApp chats. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp and locate the Meta AI chat. Tap on it to open the conversation. If needed, send a quick message so the chat options become available. Next, tap on the name Meta AI at the top of the screen to access its settings. From there, go into Notifications. Now enable the mute option, choose Always, and confirm by tapping OK. This will stop any alerts from Meta AI. After that, scroll to Advanced Settings and switch off the option for high-priority notifications. Finally, go back to your chat list, press and hold the Meta AI conversation, and tap Delete to remove it completely from your chats. And that's it. You're all set. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.